It's a thought.
It's not. Hate Wisconsin weather. Just phlegm and snot, even at 70 degrees. Now the great weekend for a bear across the country.
Well, across the state.
Oh, we're going to a different state.
Where are we going?
By Chicago.
Where?
Northbrook, Illinois.
Illinois is right near the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not as close. Spirits high, spirits medium, spirits low.
Oh no, I'm spirits high, everything's good.
Just didn't want to leave home because
Didn't ever want to leave.
you always have this impending doom.
Too nice. We made our house too nice. We never want to leave.
Our kiddies are just like, yeah, we'll see you in 2 days.
And they don't care.
No.
Well, we made it 2.3 miles so far.
Quick, turn around. It's not too late.
Another like 230 to go.
Saturday, it's supposed to be boiling lava hot though.
Yeah, 86. That's okay. I'd rather have it too hot than too cold.
So where are we?
Oh, we're back in Kenosha.
Why?
Oh, because it's a pee stop. We're trying to remember where everything is by memory.
Because?
Because we used to live down here.
And what did we do down here?
We taught down here.
So what are we going to try and find right now?
Oh, my old school. Yeah.
Here's your first school, hon.
My first school.
Still here. So what are you looking at?
Let's see. Oh yeah, room 111. That was my room. Then you'd go over, and then room 206 was my room. Room 122 is the little blue lab. That was my room too. And I taught a computer class in 207. And made it. Full circle. And we're done.
So now what are you going to try and find?
I don't know.
Our apartment?
Oh, we can do that.
Yes. Yep.
Yep.
That's the, you think Jimbo's still there?
Hey, he's dead. See, the 7706.
That was us.
That was us.
In the driveway.
Yeah.
Because when we got that 14 inches of snow, we had nowhere to go.
Yeah.
Nowhere to go.
Well, goodbye.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. So now what?
Oh, we're gonna try and find your little school.
Oh boy, that's almost, because my room.
It's right in that bottom corner.
And then, yeah, straight ahead, there's still lunch tables, I think, in there. I'll be darned.
No more a school.
Not a school anymore. So where are we going?
We're going to Richie Rich's house. Go bricks.
Go bricks!
Oh, God. What did we just pass? Oh my God. Where are we going?
Northbrook, Illinois, eh?
For?
The art fair.
What are you doing? My precious. The triple-decker PB, honey, and banana?
Nope, no bananas.
Oh. How you doing, honey? This is the end of day one.
This is the end of a disappointing day one. And we're going to our Airbnb, which we now know that is in a Spanish neighborhood. Must be the Polish Spanish neighborhood. Well, good night. 1, 2. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, last 10 minutes, downpour. And then when we're done, it stopped. Stupid jerk weather.
So we're a little, my hair
But
is,
look at
my
it,
hair's
you got it done in 2 hours.
oh, we shaved off an hour.
Yeah.
Good job. Your
Good job,
schematic is great.
Yes.
Look how wet. Looks like a horsetail. So
Can't see.
it might not be pretty at the tail end in here, but it's in here. Good job, man. Oh, then we're gonna go on to Dundee Road.
Dundee.
Crocodile.
The shape of a knife.
Dundee donk.
Look, it's 54 hours.
What was it earlier?
88.
And you got a little sunburn, and I got sunburn even with 50 SPF because of
We
my
can't play in Wisconsin because we're in frickin' Illinois.
So what are we gonna do in the van tomorrow? Damage control.
Damage control. We knew this going into it, so it doesn't surprise us.
The rain?
No, oh, it's gonna rain. Quick, throw everything in. Pray for death.
Well. Okay. ready now. Overall, not just because we just got rained out packing up and not just because it's day 2, but overall, what do you think of the Northbrook?
Overall, I'm always hoping we'll sell out, that we'll go home completely empty. That's my expectation. So when that doesn't happen, you always get depressed. But I did get to sell one thing, which was fine and dandy. Almost sold 2, but on the bright side, we combined we have like 7 potential commissions. 9 potential commissions.
But I don't expect all of them to go through.
So if all those commissions come through, then it'd be a huge success. If one commission comes through, it'd still be a success.
It would pay our booth fee
Easy.
and our Airbnb and our food.
Yeah, your one commission would pay for all of that easy. Last night was hard because we didn't sell anything on Saturday. And we go home just inside, you just want to say, I want to quit.
You have second thoughts about your future plans.
Yeah.
At least I know that you handled it much better than
Yeah,
I
I
did.
keep it hidden inside more. I have the exact same feelings you do, that we're not going to make it. It won't work. All my dreams are shattered. Nothing I do in life matters. My whole life's a lie. And I'm going to die alone and penniless behind a dumpster of a bowling alley.
I am worthless.
Just a big fat phony. I'm going to die alone, 5 pounds overweight.
Only 5? It's not bad. On a good note, on Saturday, we got to see Ron and Dottie, and that was the highlight of my day. We did a commission for them last year, and they're just the nicest people, so that made me a little emotional inside. We met a few art people
we
today.
met Abby May.
Yes.
She was super nice. She does jewelry.
She was our neighbor.
She was our neighbor. I got the booth sit for her.
All the ladies that liked the jewelry
Oh,
came over, and they wondered if you were the
And
jewelry.
I would just go, if you have any questions, I can't help you. I'm just booth sitting. They'd look at me. Their long cigarette.
No, don't do that. God. I know wood, I don't know brass and silver and
Then she
stone.
tells me, you're so good with the ladies. It's like, I've only had one girlfriend.
I'm just gonna take my wedding ring off right
Yeah.
now.